Hello everybody, my name is Lekwon. I'm from class 3 V-School Chala. Today I give you the simple and amazing story. Its name The Boy Who Cried Wolf. This story has three features as the boy is watching the sheep and wolf. Let's go. One day the boy is very bored. And the boy wants to trick people in here. And the boy sees a wolf and speaks, "Help! Whoa!" cries the boy. And people come to go. It no wolf. The boy is laugh. Next weekend, the boy sees a wolf and say, "Come, wolf!" cries the boy. People and go to again. There is no wolf. The boy laugh. This is a wolf to come to church sheep, and the boy speak. "Help! Wolf!" cries the boy. No one come to help. And the wolf can chase all the sheep in the forest. In the end, the boy is learning a lesson. No one to come to boy. This is the end of the story. Thank you and goodbye.